It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we're down here in Point Roberts, Washington. We have a Canadian 28-foot Islander for sale. Owner approached me the other day and wants to get this thing sold. He is the second owner on the boat. He's had it for over 46 years, but he's also maintained it its whole time while he's had it. It's a nice little sailboat, and it's one of the reasons why I was willing to help him out and get it sold. It's a 1975 and it's in great shape. The woodwork is varnished, it's clean, the bottom's scrubbed, new zincs were put on it recently, has a little barbecue. It's an entry-level boat, but it's clean and it's priced so aggressively. Little Volvo MD7 engine that runs like a top. Mechanical engineers own this boat. He's stayed on top of all the maintenance on the engine. The engine's nice and clean and it runs like a top, and we're going to show you that in our startup video. Nice boat, great shape, great sailing boat. 28-foot Islander, built in California. Nice little model. That's all I can say. We're virtually giving it away. Somebody can go boating tomorrow in it, have a great time with their family for inexpensive cruising, and assumable inexpensive moorage is available with it as well. Give Christie a call, 604-317-3847, or myself, I'm Philip, 604-708-1980. I will be doing all the showings on the boat, and if you want to do a sea trial, I'm willing to do that with you too. The price point it is, we're basically giving the boat away, get some liability insurance, and go boating. 28-foot Islander, great shape. I was really surprised when I walked down the dock and I saw what this was. Thanks again for watching.